Nobody wakes up mentally strong. You build it, one decision at a time. It's not something you're born with, and it's definitely not something that appears when life gets hard. Mental strength is built in the small, daily habits you repeat when no one is watching. And if you start practicing these now, 2026 won't just test you, it will reveal a version of you that can handle anything. Here are 7 daily habits that will make you mentally strong. First, do something uncomfortable every day. Growth doesn't happen in comfort, whether it's waking up earlier, taking a cold shower, speaking up, or pushing through a task you've been avoiding. Train your mind to face discomfort instead of escaping it. The more you do hard things, the less power they have over you. Second, control your self-talk. The way you speak to yourself shapes your reality. If your inner voice is always negative, doubtful, or critical, it weakens you over time. Start catching those thoughts and replacing them with stronger ones. Not fake positivity, but honest, constructive thinking that pushes you forward instead of holding you back. Third, limit distraction. A distracted mind is a weak mind. If you're constantly jumping between apps, notifications, and random content, your focus gets destroyed. Set boundaries. Create moments in your day where you are fully present and focused on one thing. Mental strength comes from control, not chaos. Fourth, keep promises to yourself. Every time you say you'll do something and don't, you slowly lose trust in yourself. But every time you follow through even on small things, you build self-respect. Discipline isn't just about results, it's about becoming someone you can rely on. Fifth, practice emotional control. You can't stop emotions, but you can control how you respond to them. Instead of reacting instantly, pause. Observe what you're feeling. Give yourself space before you act. This simple habit can prevent regret, improve your decisions, and make you far more resilient under pressure. Sixth, reflect daily. Take a few minutes at the end of your day to think. What did you handle well? Where did you lose control? What can you improve tomorrow? Reflection turns experience into growth. Without it, you repeat the same mistakes again and again. And seventh, build a strong routine. Your routine is your foundation. When your habits are consistent, your mind becomes stable. You don't rely on mood or motivation, you rely on structure. And structure is what keeps you grounded when life gets unpredictable. The truth is, mental strength isn't loud, it's built quietly, in the choices you make when it's easier to quit, avoid, or give in. So if you want to become stronger in 2026, don't wait for challenges to force you, prepare for them now. Because the stronger your mind becomes, the less anything outside of you can break it.